Hello, welcome to Trey The Techman. Today, I'll be showing you how to change your rollers on your iRoomba. Now this one right here is the 600 series, but most of them should be all about the same. So basically what you're going to do is on the back here, you got two tabs. When you push these two tabs down, it'll lift up. Once you lift up, you see how it lifts up right here? All you're going to do is take it out from one end, and then you're going to take out the other one from the other end. Once you got them open, you will go ahead and put your new ones in. Since I'm not putting new ones in, I'm going to put my old ones back in. So first I will start off with the little one. On the back, you can see how it has a small little square right here. So you want to go ahead and look at the angle. You can see how the square lines up. Give it a little twist, and then you can put that one in. The other one, you see it has a bigger square on the end. So you want to go ahead and look at the angle also. Go ahead and put it in. You push it down. There you go. And you're all set. Thank y'all for watching. Until next time, bye.